Hi friends, this is Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel. I am sharing a huge unboxing today from Above Parr Crafts on Etsy. She sells amazing junk journal supplies, and my favorite things that she sells are her bags, which I did a tutorial on how to use these to make a stuffed ephemera bag for journals, and I've done that recently. So you can just look back a few videos on my channel. And I also love her library cards, and I'll be showing those here in just a minute. So she has a coupon code for each and every one of you, and you can use that to purchase anytime if you're my subscriber. And that code will be in the description box below. So yay. Very, very generous of her. Keep in mind that this is shipping from Canada, so the shipping might look just a little wonky. And if you have any questions or concerns about that, you can message her and she can work that out with you, but she will refund any overages, and she can send a lot for not that much. All of this stuff that you're seeing only cost about $20 in shipping, and there is a lot here. So obviously you probably would not be ordering this much stuff and it wouldn't cost that much. So I'm really, really excited to work with all of these pieces that she sent. And I will have a tutorial or two up on my channel in the coming weeks using some of these things. If you are familiar with my journals, you will know that I mention her often and I use her items often. She has her own little box by my workstation that has her items in it, and that is definitely special. So she has all these beautiful trims and ephemera. She left me little notes telling me what they are. This is my favorite vintage twine, and I messaged her about it and said, do you have any more of it? I'm almost out. And so she sent me a big bundle of that, plus a whole bunch of different library cards and tags, and these are like little cigar labels and number labels and vocabulary cards. I love these because I like to sew on them and stamp on them and collage with them and just add them as all different pieces and parts into my journals. The gingham bags are really fun. I really think that they add a lot. And she has book plates, little vintage book plates. These bags are really fun to put like in the back or the front of a journal, so that you can store extra things. I know when I decorate my junk journals, I like to have a bag so that I can put the extra pictures that I didn't use or extra pieces of ephemera that I couldn't find a place for. So she carries several different styles. She has these CD cases that will be really fun to do different things, and you can put like book pages or other things in the front. You can see through the window. Little for sale tags and inventory tags and all sorts of stuff. Coin wrappers. She just totally loaded me up, and I wanted you to see this sample of the things she has in her shop. Please go over there and check her out. Favorite her shop so you can see when she adds new items. So if you will comment in the description box below what types of tutorials you would like to see on my channel, because I'm really wanting to start adding even more tutorials. I do a lot of tutorials, but I'd love to add even more. So what kind of tutorials would you like to see, so that I can add those and use some of these items? So if you see something and you want to know, oh, how would I do this or that with it, let me know so I can add that to my list of videos to make. I hope you all have an incredible day, and thank you Above Parr Crafts for sponsoring this.